Welcome to Beaulieu Road Station in the New Forest. It's a rather remote station, this is. One of the most remote in Hampshire, New Forest. This station just serves these couple of houses here. And then over there is just the New Forest National Park. Which is very scenic. Besides that, there is nothing here. Train service every 2 hours in each direction. Waiting shelter. And to get onto the other side you have to go up that road bridge, come down the other side. This is Beaulieu Road. I hope you enjoyed this video. I suppose I'll go over here and give you a little look around the New Forest. Why not? Right outside the station we have a horse here. So nice to see, actually. Happy horse. There's some more over there in the car park too.